DATOS, your device need fixing. We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin troubleshooting the Lenovo Legion SIMCO that won't turn on, we need to gather some essential tools. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery, if possible. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew the back panel of the laptop. Keep track of the screws, as they can be easily lost. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Now, locate the PH platform controller hub on the motherboard. This is typically situated near the CPU. Using your multimeter, check the TRES-VCC line for any shorts. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting and probe the TRES-VCC line. If you hear a beep, it indicates a short circuit. If you find a short, it's essential to clean the area around the PH. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to gently clean any debris or dust that may be causing the short. Be cautious not to damage any components while cleaning. After cleaning, recheck the TRES-VCC line with your multimeter. If the short persists, you may need to consider replacing the PH. This is a more advanced step and requires soldering skills. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Before proceeding with any repairs, it's wise to get a quote. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. If you decide to go ahead with the repair, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. Once you've addressed the short, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reinsert the battery and connect the power supply. Power on the laptop to see if the issue has been resolved. If the laptop still does not turn on, further diagnostics may be required. It could be a sign of a deeper issue within the motherboard or other components. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Our team is here to assist you with any further troubleshooting or repairs needed to get your Lenovo Legion SIMCO back up and running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.